It's a windy, blustery day today. And Jake's doing just fine. He's just gonna rest and relax during it. Keeps his eye on Penny. Because all this rocking of the van and the wind, it makes her nervous. You doing okay, Chicken Nugget? No? Hello, everyone, and welcome to another day on Angel's Adventures. Today is Wednesday, February 2nd. One more day until I head to my brother's place. But I just wanted to give you, just a quick little update. It's windy and dusty and nasty outside. And Teresa and I are here parked in the empty lot next to Love's in Quartzsite. We're only going to be here for one night, but we figured, this way we're close to gas station in the morning, breakfast in the morning, and we've already been packed up since yesterday, so decided just to handle the dust storm over here. Hopefully there's a lot less dust here than there was in Skadden Wash. Oh, but at South I feel... Pardon me. At South, I feel kind of sorry for them because a lot of dust is blowing and it's everything that's loose on top. Which South has a lot of loose dust. Sorry, I'm just having a very itchy day today from all of the dust. Anyway, I think Teresa's going to come over in a little bit. We're going to play some card games. So you never know what's going to happen at the Encante Snell. Anyway, Angel here is wishing you a wonderful day. Penny's wishing that it wasn't so windy and blustery. Jake takes everything in stride and sleeps through it all. Boy, you're getting some gray hairs all over. You're getting the old man hairs. Look at that. I see you. Peekaboo. Jake's like, okay, I heard noise. Van's rocking, Mama. But I love you. You love me. We're safe, and I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. Are you a good boy? Are you a bad boy? Are you a badass? Are you a badass? I need to clean his eyes again. Where's your tail? Look at your tail. Where's your tail? Oh, Mama loves you. That's about half our conversations. We just growl and we tail wag and we do little whines and lots of growls. Yes, and Mama baby talks her baby boy. 'Cause he's so handsome. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. I love you. Can you tell me you love me? Jake, come on, do it. I love you. I love you. I know you love me too. What a good boy. Okay, enough of the boring. You guys seen enough of Jake? And I don't know whether I want to take a nap or if I want to play games, if I want to watch a movie. I'll let you know tomorrow. Bye.